In the next couple of video clips, I'm going to show you guys how to generate cost distribution graphs for early, late, and target schedule in MS Project. The program can only generate cost distribution graph based on the early schedule, and I will show you guys how we can trick the system and produce a cost distribution for late schedule as well. Let's get started. So this is the project schedule that we created in Lab 8, and in order to generate the cost distribution diagram, we need to go to the report and click cost and click the drop down menu and cash flow. Just click that. So in the beginning you will see something like that. You will feel like, okay, this is very different than what we have seen in the class. The reason for that is since MS Project is typically used for larger projects and the time scale in this case is based on quarter, so we have to make some modification on the time scale. Just click the graph area. We can right click the graph and show field list. Then we can change our time scale and we just edit. And the units in this case will be, I'll just use as days. The format will be count. I'll probably say 1, 2, 3, 4 from start. Then the start date is March 19th in this case, and the finish, you guys can select your own. So typically this should be the one that you guys calculated. Alright, so this should be the diagram for your early schedule, and this is a cumulative as well, and a daily cost distribution. Because later on I would like to have a graph that has three things: early, late, and target. Let's first get the data out of this graph. I'm going to select the graph area and Control C, and I'm going to open up a Excel spreadsheet. I'm going to copy this, paste this into the Excel spreadsheet, and I'm going to use the data right over here. So this is a daily cost distribution diagram, so I just click that one. So you can see this is from 1 to 40, that's correct. And this part of the cost will be our daily cost. I'm just going to copy that out. And I will open up a notepad and say this is the daily cost
early schedule. And I'll just copy this. Then I'm gonna put a comma here.
I'm gonna save it. And you can also copy out your cumulative early schedule, or let's just simply put early to save a little bit space. And let's get the cumulative, so it should be this part. Make sure you copy the whole thing, don't leave any number. And so this should be the 40 days of cumulative. That's just for our early schedule. Let's first stop here.